Alright, greetings punters, back for another one, and this time we are doing the Hose Venom number 3 third print, and it is number 668. My phone's pinging away in the background because Andrew's upset that I called him Andre. Just goes to show how funny I am. Alright, we are live. Come on. Alright, 8:52 PM. And it is 8:52 PM. Let's go and see how many spots we've got. Alright, 107 spots. Dak last. And Dak first. Okay, checking that again. 107. Alright, one. Bloody Neville. Pardon my OCD. Oh, geez, how many spots have you got, Neville? Alright, 107. Dak last. Alright, good to go. Let's see, 3 dice roll. Alright, 6 and 2 is 8 and 2 is 10, 2 and 2 is 4 and 6 is 10. Let's go, randomise 10 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, we are on 8 times. Double check. 6 and 2 is 8, 2 is 10. 2 to go. Okay, penultimate roll. 9 times. Next one is for the winner. Good luck, everyone. Oh, go down. There's our 10. Let's go and see who won. And our winner is of the Venom variant. And it is... Oh, Cock. There we go. There's a new name. Congratulations. You are the winner of this punt. Get in contact with Andrew to claim your prize. Well done. And we are done. Alrighty, thanks for playing. See you next time.